What is going on, YouTube? Old Tom, Rambler 69. Show you what we got coming up next. We're playing a buddy bill with my good friend Dave over in the UK, and we're going to do this Revell's release of the Ford GT LeMans kit. And I'm going to be doing a different livery. I got some SK decals. We're going to be doing a different year car. And show you, in case you guys don't know, which I learned this from James Duff off the Stash Report when this kit first came out. You got the Revell issue, side opening issue on the left, which is what most of the world will get. And then over here you have the US release in the small box, in the normal US style box. But what you may not know is when you get the US kit, this is the decal sheet, which they're pretty nice and they look good. And it goes up to number 105. And that's what you get. But if you get the issue in the side opening box, you get a decal sheet that goes up to number 138. 105 is up here where this one cuts off. This cuts off up here like that. And you don't get none of these decals in the US box release. You don't get the seat belts or the headlight bezels or all kinds of cool stuff. And I was watching, I think it was Right On Replica build this, and he said that he was surprised that they didn't have headlight bezel decals in the kit, and he was trying to paint them on. Well, you got them. You just have to get the side opening box issue, and you get the headlight bezels. So I don't know exactly why they did this, because if you take this box, that sheet will fit in the box. So they can't say that the sheet was too big for the box, because that was the first thing I thought, that the sheet was too big, but it goes right in that box. So I don't know why we got a lot of the decals cut off like that. And so all you guys that are building the US box kit, you're missing a whole heap of decals. So if you want the whole decal sheet, get the side opening box kit. And your American box, US box, you're going to get these black and white instructions, normal Revell instructions, which they're fine. But if you get the side opening, you get this nice booklet. It's all in color. And I think the instruction booklet is much better detailed than the one you get in the US box. And so that's just some differences of the two kits that some of you guys may not be aware of. I know a lot of you are picking the kit up at Hobby Lobby and it'll be the US box, but if you search out and get the other kit, you get a expanded decal sheet, and you actually get a lot better instruction booklet. But looks like it's a pretty cool kit. One thing I like about it is they give you pre-painted glass on it. You don't have to mask it and do the black trim. So that's kind of cool. But we're going to have fun with it, and that's what's coming up. And it's about all we got. Everybody's doing some nice work out there. Everybody stay safe and take care. And we'll talk at you again soon. Old Tom, Rambler 69. Out here, guys.